the shit you gotta bring with you when you go dirt biking. Yep. Switch my shirt. You know I gotta put my hoodie on. Doesn't matter what temp. Today we got the BNC Cycles hoodie, baby. Look at these chains. So hard. Literally so hard. You know the routine, guys. Typical routine. We're gonna fucking top this off. A little cinnamon for the blood sugar, baby. Cinnamon's mad good for you. Cinnamon's mad good to just get all over the counter too. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Grab that lid. Put that lid on. Watch magic happen. You know what I'm saying? Every day. Smoothie a day. We love that. Do I really have time for this right now? Absolutely. But we're adults. We get shit done, so we're not stressed either. Peace. See ya. See ya. Can't dirt bike. Sorry, dude. Fucking stab myself. Yo, I'm unloading this thing so wet right now. What's it like doing it in pieces? Makes 0 sense. Man, the people in my apartment definitely think I'm fucking nuts. Because I'd just be ripping around bikes in this bitch. Here we go, buddy. Ready to take on the day. Hey, look how good she looks. Are you joking? Truly do love myself a nice, long ass motherfucking drive so I can just sing karaoke the whole goddamn way at the top of my lungs. You know what I'm saying? Yo, give me some great karaoke songs to sing at the top of your lungs in the car driving all alone, please. Alright, I'm meeting my friend Eric. We've only met for like 5 minutes at Laguna Beach Rum Club, and gonna take on the day with Eric. He's gonna show me some sick spots, and I'm super fucking pumped, and might get a coffee right now, guys. Kind of feeling like a coffee. When am I not? But could be good. Little coffee, so I can continue the karaoke in my helmet today. Let's go, Eric. No thanks. Transport trucks bumper sticker thing said, I need a little time off for some bad behavior. Yo, that's sick. Literally changing my bio to that right now. Okay, just getting to the gas station where I'm meeting Eric. Gonna fill up my gas jug here and fill up my truck and look for Eric and maybe maybe look for some snacks too, you never know. You guys in America have that cool thing where you can like lock it? Yeah, that's illegal in Canada. We don't have that. Okay, just ran into Eric at the gas station. Gonna follow him to the spot. And you know I got a snack. Nice little RX bar that absolutely rips your teeth out.
Day in the life, whatever, riding, meeting up, getting here, on the bike.
That's sick. You guys, that was so sick. Yo! Dude, dirt biking is literally, I think, the best of all worlds for sports. You're outside in nature, obviously a fucking plus. You're getting a really good workout, like literally heart rate is up, a plus. And motorcycles, plus. Going to get some food now at Jerry's Cafe. Let's go. Little mom and pop kind of shop, I think. Who knows if it's good. Riding today made me so excited for summer and for lake swimming and riding and road trips and just being so exhausted from riding a motorcycle all day. Wow, and food and coffee and sunshine and tan and gas station shitty food and random ass dive bars and a lot of swimming and bonfires. Wow. Just got home, got a shower, so dusty and dirty, and if y'all want to continue the day with me, now I have to go to a sewing workshop, so something completely different from what I just did, but should also be super fun. else has any recommendations for places to ride in Southern California, please do not hesitate to let me know. Okay, sewing was sick. I made a tote bag. I'm excited to make pants and bathing suits and maybe sell them. You know me. Just got home smacking away.